customer states that this unit is not making ice. I just walked up to it, the display is turned off. Let's see. Okay, still no power. Let's check our outlet for power, for voltage. Let's see, this unit is 115 volts. Okay, this outlet doesn't have power. Let's see if this outlet has power. Okay, this outlet does have power. Okay. Turn it on. Making ice. Condenser fan motor spins freely. Condenser filter is fairly dirty. Could be cleaned. It's not filling with water, as I think it should be. Oh no, there it goes. It is filling. Very slowly. It's filling, but very slowly. Our pressure gauge is right at 0 psi. I think we have a bad water filter. It's restricting the water flow. The water is barely trickling in. See if we can fill this quickly, see if this will work. Even that. It's been a very long time to fill. Fill up the water until it hits the uppermost probe, water probe, and we'll see how it performs in making ice itself. I do suspect it's just going to be a water fill related issue. Okay, the water has hit the top probe. So since we closed off the valve, the pressure's there. It's our volume. Yep, it drops right down. Pressure is going up to 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. We're about 50 psi, so pressure is not bad. I think it's a volume issue. Wish I had a bucket. We can confirm our pressure. I'm gonna go get a bucket. Okay, I'm gonna check, see if it's a restriction in the filter by taking it out. see how much water comes out. Yes, it definitely has the flow of the filter. And we know that our unit's water valve, no, it's actually the top one, this is a dump valve, is working good, because even when I bypassed the unit itself filled water and I used this, it was also barely trickling. So there's definitely a restriction to the filter. So we will get a new filter ordered and replaced. That should do it. I'm gonna watch it to confirm that it makes good ice, and we'll go from there. We have a situation that the harvest probe is frozen right to the coil. Let's go into maintenance service. There it is. Let's see if it's responding. Good. So that just needs to get adjusted, I think. Let's see if it drops it. It just dropped the ice, so it's definitely good on its refrigeration cycle. It makes ice quite good when there's water in there. What I'm not sure about is why the harvest probe froze to the evaporator coil. It may have been too close. I just made a full turn adjustment because it was way too close to the evap coil. We're gonna run another cycle and see if it works properly and comes out of harvest, or it goes into harvest and comes out of harvest on its own without any assistance. We're back with the water filter, new air filter, and the ice thickness probe. Now that the water's flowing through the filter, we do see positive pressure over 20 psi. That is a good filter. That's how you confirm it's good. Alright. Next, let's install this air filter. Reset the unit and now it's working, so we're going to watch it go through a cycle, possibly adjust the ice thickness as we need to. Let's start go into ice mode by just cycling this curtain. Pressures should start coming down. Yeah, water's filling very great, pretty quick. Much better than before. Let's see where the water cycles off. We're at our low probe now. Actually, harvest probe. Now we're at a low probe, and now we're at our high probe. There's a 5-second delay. Pump turns on. It should fill again. Yep, filling again until it hits the high water probe. Water's filled. Let's give it some time. It usually takes about anywhere between 12 and 20 minutes to make a batch of ice. So ice just dropped and it is a little too thin. I'm going to give it half a turn thicker. Go from there. Okay, the unit is making good ice. Ice thickness looks good. The shape looks great. That's it, repair complete.